Realme GT Neo6 SE has been launched in China as the company's latest mid-range smartphone in the Neo series. Realme GT Neo6 SE comes in green and silver colors. GT Neo6 SE features a curved 6.78-inch 8T LTPO OLED with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, an in-display fingerprint scanner. It also features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and a 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. The GT Neo6 SE will be equipped with the latest Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset with 16GB of RAM, which would enable some on-device AI features. The phone will run Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0 out of the box. Realme GT Neo6 SE has a dual rear camera unit with 4K video recording at 60 frames per second max. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS, 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultrawide, a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 camera on the front. The device is also IP65 water and dust resistant and features stereo speakers. The Realme GT Neo6 SE houses a 5500 mAh battery with support for 100W charging support. The phone weighs 191 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.